Hi kids, it's me, Droney. Today we're going to mix colors. Let's start. Let's mix blue and yellow. What color do we get, kids? Green! Yes! Great job! Blue and yellow make green. Let's mix another color. Now, let's mix yellow and red. What color do we get? Orange! Amazing! Yellow and red make orange. Ready for another one? Let's mix red and blue. What color is that? Purple! Great thinking! Red and blue make purple. Let's try another color. Let's mix white and red. What color do we get? Pink! Yes! White and red make pink. Now, let's try something special. What happens when we mix red, blue, and yellow together? We get brown. Wow! When we mix many colors together, we get brown. Colors are amazing. See you in the next adventure with Droney in the Airplane Man channel.